Hey friends! Welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet in rows. So I have here my chain. If you don't know how to do it, go back and watch that video tutorial. I have done 9 chain. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I've done 9 chains. So here's the tricky thing about crocheting in rows. You need to crochet into this foundation chain, and when you crochet into a foundation chain, you actually only put your hook under the back loop of the chain. You actually need to skip the first chain from the hook that's going to be giving your new row some height. So you're going to put your hook in the second chain from the hook and only under the back loop of that chain. Yarn over. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and bring that yarn through both loops on the hook. You have made 1 single crochet stitch. Great! So you're going to do a total of 8 single crochet stitches for this row, even though you started this all by doing 9 chain stitches because we skipped one of those stitches. That's what's giving your row some height. Now let's double check to make sure that I have all 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So now I need to do what's called a chain 1 and turn. So hold your hook in front of your working yarn, do a yarn over, pull that yarn through the loop on your hook. And now rotate your piece by flipping it like the page of a book. Please start second row. So just like when we did the other row, we want to skip the chain that is immediately next to the hook and put our hook under the second stitch from the hook. Insert your hook under both loops of the chain. So now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. You have just made your single crochet stitch. Please repeat it till the end of the row. Alright, I have hit the end of my row. So I need to do a chain 1 and turn again. You're going to always skip the chain that's immediately next to the hook and then stick your hook under the second stitch from the hook under both loops and crochet single crochet stitches in the same way. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!